TR indicator. The third worksheet in our stock analysis software is TR chart. If you go back to the first worksheet, which is user interface worksheet, over here you see our proprietary TR indicator status neutral buy for this particular stock, which is Nvidia in this case, based on a weekly chart right here, which is telling us that it's a neutral buy and has changed its direction very recently from a strong buy or something like a buy to neutral buy. Now, what the TR indicator is? TR indicator is our proprietary indicator developed based on a number of parameters and other technical indicators, as well as incorporating price and momentum actions. So when it tells you that you are in an uptrend and you have a strong uptrend, then there is a likelihood that the stock will continue in that direction, or vice versa in the reverse direction when the stock is weak and moving downward. So take a look at the TR chart, and the TR chart is updated automatically every time when you change the ticker symbol and update this worksheet for a new ticker symbol. Press the update button or change that symbol here. It will calculate this stuff as well as the TR chart as well. Over here we see the TR chart has been updated, but we can always change it with any other chart available here in this list. Let's say we update it for Tesla, and we can select chart duration anywhere from 1 month to 5 years. Let's select 1 year, and let's plot it on the basis of weekly chart. Now the program will download the data from Excel servers for the Tesla, and now this is the TR chart for last 1 year based on the weekly price action. And as you can see, there are a number of different color bands. This light yellow means there is a downward stock trend, price trend, and it is weakening. While there is a strong orange color band means there is a strong momentum downwards, and the stock is likely to continue its momentum until and unless it makes a reversal here. This small diamond, green diamond, means the trend is about to happen and has been noticed in the upward direction, while this direction means that the trend has initiated in the downward direction and is likely to continue here, but not necessarily the price action, and these indicators will give you a right idea every time. So what we need to do, we need to couple these bands and these signals along with some levels, and these two levels, these two lines which are plotted here, the blue line dotted line is 9 period exponential moving average, and the red color dashed line is 20 period exponential moving average. Now, where is the ideal location to go long or to go short? As soon as the stock enters in light green area, which is the upward trend started, or a stronger green area, which is which says that the momentum has picked up and it's likely to continue upward, then we can make a move. But the move should be pretty close to these two average line, because the higher the distance of the stock price from these two moving averages, it is more likely that the stock will pull back eventually and either will test these lines and then go upward. So let's go for a broader 3 years, because it's a weekly price action, and we take it adjust the time duration to 3 years, and here is a chart for 3 years. So for example, over here we see a small triangle. Chart is updating, but it again, since it's coming off from a consolidation here and a long period of consolidation, because every point is a week, remember that. So we should wait till the time it come back, test these averages, and then start again and start this strong band. So here, this is the point to make an entry. And where should be our stop loss? In any case, we do not suggest to make our stop loss broader than 8 or 10% losses. So our stop loss in this particular case should be the bottom of this line right here, something around 216, while our entry should be something around 229. Very tight stop loss. But since it has entered into a strong momentum area, which is given by the TR indicator. So as long as we are in this area, we are pretty much safe. Here we are dropping down, and it's now when you come down here, then it's more likely to come back and test this line. So this could be a time when the band ends to finish it off and take the profits. For example, this was 338 on 29th of November, while we entered around 200 and something like here, 229 on July. So in 4 months, it has appreciated from 229 to 338, which is approximately a rise of 50%, and that's a handsome profit. Same goes with the other way. When the stock turns back, you should look for a very close um, test of these two lines. And if you are experiencing or seeing this kind of behavior, strong momentum, and these orange color and the red and the light yellow color band, then it is likely that the stock will continue its momentum or its price action in the downward direction. Towards the left, we have a list of symbols here, and if we run the screener, which is the TR screener here, then what it will do, it will go through each of these stocks and calculate its TR indicator for on the basis of daily and weekly. So for example, currently we could see that the Nvidia has flashed a neutral buy in the downward direction both on daily and weekly, meaning the stock is under pressure. But LLY has shown a strong buy on the daily and a very recent strong buy on the weekly price chart. This means that LLY could be a strong buy at this location. So let's try LLY and see what happens when we see charts for LLY. Up to press update. So the price action and the chart has been updated for LLY, and you could see it has again entered a green area. That's why it is telling us to go long. And but again, our distance from these two average line is quite high compared to this area. So we should wait for the stock to come down and test this level, just like here. And this probably was a good idea when it was testing here and then rise again and entered a green area. This could be a better place to enter. So that's how you couple the action of the TR indicator along with these two important lines and then make your entry or exit decisions. In addition, we can also run back tests. So we can, over a period of, let's say, over 3 years here, we can see how many entry and exit signals this TR indicator has given and what was the theoretical outcome and result had we been taking entry and exit points according to the signals given by TR indicator. Here is the result that in the last 3 years there were mix of short and long, and $1 of stock invested in LLY will return 85%. In other words, $1 will become $1.85 over a period of last 3 years for this particular stocks based on this price action. All we needed to do is to follow these signals and then make a decision. That's our decision based on the price action and the overall market condition, that whether this is a good stop level or not, entry level or not, and where should we our stop. So this particular chart coupled with the TR indicator will give you very good entry and exit point, and it can always vary depending upon your trading style and investment strategies. Thank you very much.